Excuse me.
How you doing?
Hey, I'm making a quick video. My channel's about sharing wisdom with the younger generation.
Work hard.
Do you mind if I ask you a few more questions for the channel?
Sure, go ahead.
How old were you when you made your first $1 million?
28.
And how old are you now?
45.
What do you do?
I own some businesses, franchise businesses.
Which business?
Some Dunkins, some West Shore pizzas.
Wow. How much money have you been able to make so far in your lifetime?
North of 10.
What is one of the hardest parts about becoming successful that most people don't talk about?
It's just working hard, staying focused and staying humble. That's always been my motto from the get-go.
What is a big mistake or failure that you learned a valuable lesson from?
Ton of businesses that failed, and you just got to work hard and just move forward. You can't quit.
What is something you thought was important before you became successful, but now you realize it isn't as important?
Prized possessions, cars, jewelry, and then once you get it, you're like, it's nothing special,
So what's most important?
Family, culture, respect.
What is your favorite part about being wealthy?
Being able to provide for the family, give them what maybe I didn't have growing up.
What didn't you have growing up?
I came from an immigrant family, so we didn't have nothing. We started from scratch.